I have one instant knock. Should I use it right now? Dude, that guy's a fucking sharpshooter. If you can make it away without them seeing you, you should get in the fucking SUV. Show this guy what the fuck's up. God damn. Where's he at? Is he at the airfield right now? God. Fucking popped me good. I don't either. I'm pretty sure this shit's broken as hell. I'm scared to leave now. Yeah, I don't think I hear him right now. Alright. Oh, fuck. I'm scared. You're so far. Oh, man. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go down the stairs. Whoa! 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 What's this guy talking about? Jesus, don't FW the cheeses. Yeah, someone's here. Someone's on the ground. I'm your dad. Weird. Nice. Shit! Someone just had a satchel! Fuck. I'm gonna play dead. I'm on the opposite side. It shouldn't kill me. Oh, mother! I'm alive. Oh, fuck. He's running right next to me. He's on top. Oh, I got it! Where's his friend? I'm pretty sure there's someone else. Was that you shooting? Oh. Please. Please let me through this little slit. Nope. I can't believe I got him. Oh my god. Hi, baby. Did you see me kill him? That was for you, baby.